I think the helicopter.
Look at this, lapping under the bridge. Come up some more.
That's a lot of water.
Yeah. Fucking with that yard, it looks like I'm
Severe storms unleashed torrential rainfall across Texas Hill Country, triggering dangerous flash flooding as rivers, creeks, and drainage channels rapidly overflowed. Roads disappeared beneath fast-moving water, neighborhoods were inundated, and flash flood emergencies were issued across several counties, including Uvalde, Kerr, Kendall, and Gillespie. Authorities confirmed tragic loss of life as emergency crews rushed to rescue residents. Some of the worst flooding occurred along the Guadalupe River in Kerr County, where water levels surged more than 30 feet in just a few hours. Communities including Kerrville, Ingram, Center Point, Burnet, and Fredericksburg faced flooded roads, overwhelmed waterways, and dangerous travel conditions as emergency responders worked to protect lives and assist stranded residents.
It's rising. You're gonna keep coming up, you think?
And you still go.
That's where the water was. Yep.
Across Texas Hill Country, dramatic scenes showed highways transformed into rivers, vehicles surrounded by floodwaters, and entire communities struggling with the aftermath of the disaster. More than 230 people were rescued as thousands of emergency personnel responded across the region. Recovery efforts are now underway, but officials continue to warn that further rainfall could bring renewed flooding. Our thoughts are with everyone affected by this devastating disaster. For the latest breaking weather news and natural disaster updates from around the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.
Can't even see the other side of the river.
How deep you think it is?
I mean, it's probably 3.
There it goes. Oh no, there goes the tree. Oh, wow, that one's...